Living in Tesla. Preparation Part 1. Roof box. Hi, I'm picking up my roof box. Yes. I did, yes. Okay, thank you. Jimmy. Actually, the name may be Shang. It's either Jimmy or Shang. Yep, thank you. I'm here at Rack Attack, picking up my roof box for the adventure. Probably gonna store a lot of stuff. Yeah, hopefully maybe one of them is able to help me to put up the box. We'll find out. Nice building, nice color. I like the yellow. Pretty awesome. Oh, do you guys offer installation, by the way?
Yeah.
Would you guys be able to help me do it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll bring over the car, or it's fine? Okay. Do you mind if I record?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, thank you guys.
Nothing crazy.
No, yeah. It's just for YouTube. Yes, center would be great. And if possible, can we push the whole thing as back as possible?
Yeah.
Because it's like okay. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. That's all the way, right? Okay. No, I mean, I'm just starting, but I'm going to live in the car for a year.
For a year.
Full time, yeah. So we already got like a mattress. I'll like fold down the seats and then just sleep in
I
it.
saw Tesla does have like you can live inside the cars.
Yeah, and then I'll be like cooking like a camper.
So how long are you gonna do that for? A year, and then what are you be working on the side?
No, I actually just quit my job yesterday.
Yeah.
Not like right away, but I turned in my 2 weeks notice. So I'll be pretty much doing it full time. Yeah. It is. It's gonna be really challenging, especially the cold.
So just you, or you got anyone with you?
It's just me. Yeah. How heavy is this thing?
That's a two-person, sometimes two-person.
Okay.
If you can try one, I can do it one-handed, like one person.
Yeah.
You just have to be able to grab it on both sides.
Gotcha. Yeah, yeah.
So you have people following you as of now, or?
Right now, just under 20 people. But we'll see. Yeah, it's pretty much for myself. I want to experience it. I'm not looking for like a huge following or anything like that. Yeah. How's the business like during COVID?
Summertime it was crazy.
Summer it was crazy. Yeah.
Most like this year. Now in winter it's falling off a bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Ski resorts are closed, so.
Gotcha. Yeah. Are you here every day, 7 days a week?
No, I'm only here on Sunday. Sunday.
Sunday. Gotcha.
You guys were here Monday to Friday.
Uh-huh.
It's just not doing school besides
Okay. Where do you go?
Ryerson.
Ryerson. What are you studying?
Business technology management.
Oh, okay. Sweet. For freezing.
Here's a tool as you saw how I used it.
Yeah.
Just
Twist it until it clucks.
like sets a torque, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's $30 for installation, so
Yeah.
I'll come out. How are you paid?
Oh, can I use Amex or Visa is fine too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amex?
Yep.
You want it under the same name?
Same name, yes. Oh, Raka Pack. Nice touch. Vinyls. Yep. We'll peel this off. Oh yes. Still recording? Oh yeah, still recording. Jeez, freezing. Oh my goodness.
Yep. So here's your.
Thanks for your help.
All the journey, man.
Alright, thank you. Oh, fuck, mate. Ouch. First drive with the Yakima Grand Touring 16 roof box. Hopefully it doesn't block the autopilot cameras. The standard regular camera and the telephoto should be okay, but I know that there are 3 cameras right there. One of them is the ultra wide angle, which may show up, but there's no way to find out. So it should be okay. But one thing that I've noticed so far,
meters, turn left onto Gun Mills Road.
one thing that I've noticed so far, right now it's not holding anything, but it's flopping a little bit. So I don't think that's something to concern. Another thing is that the wind noise is noticeable, slightly louder. Yeah, but so far it's been great. It's definitely something that I need to get used to. Right now there's like I can't really see the sky.
Now turn left onto Gun Mills Road.
Yep, it's definitely pretty loud with the wind noise coming from the roof box. Holy smoke. That's hella loud. I mean, it's also a really windy day, so that probably adds it on top. Yep, I'm gonna stop this.